Zimbabwe trending. Imvi and Hulungende. Hi, official music video, 2025. In the dynamic world of Zimdancehall, new sounds and fresh faces are constantly emerging to capture the attention of fans. The latest buzz is all about Hi, the new track from Imvi and Hulungende, and its accompanying official music video. This release is making waves, and for good reason. It's a perfect blend of modern production, unique style, and authentic Zimbabwean energy. A new generation of Zimdancehall. Imvi and Hulungende are part of a new wave of Zimdancehall artists who are pushing the genre forward. Their sound is often described as new Xool, a term that signifies a departure from the traditional dancehall rhythms while still maintaining the core elements that make the genre so beloved in Zimbabwe. Hi is a prime example of this evolution. The beat, produced by Bezaleel Imvi and P.B.C, the producer, is fresh and infectious, creating a backdrop that is both danceable and melodically rich. The music video, a visual feast. What truly sets this release apart is the official music video. Directed and edited by Levi, the video for Hi is a visual treat that complements the song's vibe perfectly. It's clear that a lot of thought and effort went into its production. The visuals are crisp, the color grading is on point, and the editing is dynamic, capturing the energy of the artists and the song. The video features some creative shots and a simple yet effective narrative that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. The video also does a great job of highlighting the artists' personalities. Imvi and Hulungende are charismatic performers, and the camera loves them. Their energy is palpable, and they have a natural chemistry that shines through every frame. Why it's trending. Hi is trending for several reasons. The catchy vibe. The song itself is an earworm. The chorus is simple, memorable, and has that classic dancehall feel that gets people moving. A-list production. From the audio production to the video's cinematography, the quality is top-notch. This level of professionalism is a major draw for an audience that is increasingly seeking high-quality content. The new Xool sound. This is not your parents' dancehall. The song's modern sound appeals to a younger demographic while still being accessible to a broader audience. Social media buzz. The track and its video have been generating a lot of conversation on platforms like TikTok and YouTube, with fans sharing clips and creating their own content inspired by the song. The verdict. Hi by Imvi and Hulungende is more than just a song, it's a statement. It's a testament to the talent and creativity that's bubbling up in the Zimdancehall scene. With its compelling visuals, modern sound, and undeniable charisma, this release is setting a new standard. If you haven't checked out the official music video yet, you're missing out on one of the most exciting new tracks to come out of Zimbabwe. Hi is here to stay, and it's a strong indication that Imvi and Hulungende are artists to watch.